So in this video, we're going to talk about what is object-oriented programming with an example. Stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Emmet. Welcome to another tutorial. If it is your first time here and you want to learn about programming and stuff, start now by subscribing my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. So I will start with a simple example. Consider we have 4 students, Mike, Sarah, Laila, and John. And what we are going to do is that we want to write a program to get their scores in 4 different courses as an input and calculate the average score for each of them as an output. So without considering object-oriented programming, the easiest way to write this program is by declaring 4 different lists for storing each student's score. And then we can easily calculate the average and show them as the result. But what if we change the way we look at this problem by using object-oriented programming? In object-oriented programming, we make objects. An object is an entity that has attributes and behavior. For example, in our case, we have 4 students. Each of these students has a name, 4 scores, and an average score. So as you can see here, we have same information stored for each of these students. So what if we have some sort of variable that it has 3 different partitions? The first one is for storing the name, the second one is for storing the scores, and the third one is for storing the average. And we call this variable student variable, or it's better to say student object. And then we will make 4 student objects for each of the students that we have in order to store their informations one by one. This is how we look at a problem in object-oriented way. So now, as you can see here, by using a class, I will make a blueprint for the object that we have. So basically, this object has name, scores, and average score. That the average score will be calculated using sum of the scores divided by 4 for each of the students that we have. After making the blueprint of our object, we will declare the student themselves. So as a student 1, we have Mike and his scores, and so on and so forth. And after that, we can easily print the output as we wanted.